Hey guys, just in case you want to turn on live photos for your pictures. So for example here, this is a live photo. Yes, so this is a live photo. You can see it moves. In case you want to turn this on for your cameras, in case yours is off, it's simple. Go ahead and launch the camera. So once I launch the camera to turn on live, go ahead and tap the dots in the upper right and you'll see live. All right. And to turn it on, this is it off. So tap here, you'll see it off with a strike through. Go ahead and tap. All right, set to auto. You want to turn it on completely. Go ahead and hit live. You'll see live up there. And whenever you take a photo, it will give you that live effect. So for example, you see live and it has caught a live photo and you'll see that it's live because it's moving and it says live right there. So that's how to turn on the live photo feature. It's just as easy to turn it off. Simply go back into the camera and tap until it shows a strike through. All right, so that's it on the iPhone 17. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.